If only I had a lamp or some sort of light on that night, I would have been fine. I wouldn't have been given this stupid nickname. My friends wouldn't be constantly pulling my leg and laughing at me. They wouldn't be laughing if I hadn't lived to tell the tale, though, would they? Well, I should hope not, because I was lucky, extremely lucky. I was walking home from band practice in Lawr with my Tiwba. The quickest way is through the quarry, so naturally, that's the route I went, even though it was pitch black. If only I had a lamp, because I slipped. Embarrassing. On the road by Tiwba, I slipped and fell down the pit. The fall felt like slow motion, although I didn't see my life flashing in front of my eyes, as people say when something like this happens, because I suddenly stopped. For a second I couldn't understand it, because I was falling then just floating in midair. Thanks to this dear old strap hooked to a branch on my way down saved me, saved my life. After the initial shock and the shock that I was still alive, I started screaming, "Help! Help!" My voice bounced off the walls of the pit for what felt like hours. I can't tell you how long I was just hanging there screaming, but it really did feel like hours. I was worried I'd freeze to death after a while, but help did eventually come. I was pulled up safely and carried home to warm up in front of the fire and had a big bowl of Mum's lobscouse. God must have been on my side that night, because it really is a miracle that I'm still alive, or maybe Jesus came back in the form of a Tiwba. Even though I was extremely lucky, the night will haunt me for the rest of my life, in the form of a nickname. Everyone calls me Tiwba now. Embarrassing.